What's up, you guys? It's Team Mrbeast user here. And for today's video, I'm just going to basically get a few things up on my chat, as we might as well go over a little bit of some second or different equations. And so the thing that I want to get off my chat is basically, I'm just saying this. I'm basically going to basically be announcing that I plan and join the Mrbeast crew. And the reason for me I want to join Mrbeast is because I basically want about basically I want to get of the less fortunate at the same time basically learn from Mrbeast and get as one on my mentor so because I basically want to beat or because I seriously want to beat the quality of my content and become and basically apply the engineering process to you of you or so I want that I also I want to get basically want to get no or by some vet and your cat tablet as or to basically do pull to basically do my to basically in order to find my invention. And you know I could do I could compete a couple Mrbeast challenges, but I could care less as if I do and don't I'll compare when and then basically they compete in the Mrbeast challenges basically all about as long as I'm basically helping people, giving people or helping him, and if I can get no a spot, I venture capitalist like let's say expect as all I just gotta do is basically organize myself to get her and what and basically get her pitch some up and book and if he's butting boom I got venture capitalist. Yes. Alright. And that's that. Alright. 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 On to second or different equation. Second order or different second order or differential equation. Guys, I'm just saying this. Bear with me because you know I'm kind of still learning. So to reroute. Yes, complex. And I'm gonna look up OCam tutor. Equations. The reason why I'm basically looking up looking up differential equations is basically I'm basically trying all that all this all of a kinematic equation by setting up as a second order differential equation. And so this here is basically all I work like this here is basically electricity and magnetism, and in which I basically use apply this monkey around with Kirchhoff's law, current laws, and basically calc 3. Alright, so yes, alpha. So here, I would say, so when you solve for x, this term is basically going to be alpha. This term here is going to be beta. So here, alright, I'm going to write down my differential equation in which the FEQ is going to be I'm going to include OT squared, some terms as constants, so give me a moment. Alright, it's tough because I'm so I'm going to write out the differential equation, basically write out the kinematic equation, and basically solve as a differential equation, and basically try to solve it because of curiosity, because it has applications in basically in mechanical engineering. So the equation that I'm trying to solve is going to be 0 equals delta x plus v sub naught t. It's just tough because I'm right-handed. Plus 1/2 acceleration t squared. So the way I'm going to do this is that I would say that in this case scenario, we're going to be dealing with complex roots here, in which what I would do here is state 0 is going to equal x plus, okay, I'm just going to write this as dx dt t, in which we're basically saying this into like terms of x plus t squared 2d e squared x over d t squared, of accordance to this, and we're going to state that x is going to equal alpha plus beta equals alpha plus beta I. It's easy. So alright, so we would say it as r plus. So let's try like factoring, and if we were to say multiply in of 2, we would get 2. Alright, so that's not exactly going to work. So we would state here we're going to state it that we're going to use the quadratic formula, which we're going to state t equal to negative b or minus square root of b squared minus 4 a C. All that divided by 2a. 2a. Okay. Alright, so here. Yeah. I'm gonna basically try. I'm gonna try doing it twice. Out of curiosity with at the T and without the T. So T first time T is 2 negative 1 so minus square root 1. We have 1 minus 4ac. 1 minus 4. We have negative 1 plus or minus 4ac, in which we're going to say 1 squared minus 4 times AC. We have here 1/2 1 divide all that by 2 times 1, which in this case scenario we will get here that when we plug all the math in, we're gonna get that t equals negative 1 plus or minus I divide all that divide by 2, or if in this case here t e is going to be t is going to here is going to be equal negative 1/2 in which alpha here in this case scenario is going to be 1/2 plus or minus is I divide by 2. I divide by 2. So here that's what without the t. Now I'm gonna do cross the numbers in with the t. So when I do it with the t, we would get t e is going to equal negative t e negative t plus or minus square root of t squared minus 4 or we're going to include t 2 times 1 and then we're going to divide all that by 2a. Okay, so what you guys are seeing here, 2 times t squared divided by 2. Now, when we crush the in the math, we get 2t squared. We get t e. We're gonna go on like here for this term. We're gonna go yeah, and substitute that in for t squared. And this term we're gonna state 8 t squared minus 2t squared. And we're gonna state t is going to equal negative t plus or minus t squared. Alright, so here we have t minus 2, we have t squared minus 2t squared. we get negative t squared, which we're gonna have plus or minus t t e I to the t e I t all that divided by t squared by here t squared t squared. Yeah. And once you do the algebra, in this case is without the t, or I'm just gonna box this. That's here. Once we take this t out, we're gonna get at here. We're gonna state it that there is equal to t e equals -1 plus or minus I divide that all that divided by t. So using distribution, and we're gonna go like and bang. So this is basically, this is the term without the t, and that's the term with the t. So according to here, we're gonna then state it with accordance of alpha and beta. So we're gonna state these two terms in terms of alpha and beta. So we're gonna go here with accordance to the formula y equals e to the alpha at x times d times constant 1 cosine beta x plus I constant 2 sine beta. And yeah. Okay, so no t. So this is gonna be no t. We're gonna write as our solution, and the general solution here is I'm gonna write this as basically position. We're gonna state x equals e to e with no x to negative t e over 2, negative t over 2 times c1. I'm just gonna look again. Okay, what? Okay, and 2 was right out. Yeah. I get constant 1 on cosine beta cosine t divided by 2 plus us I. You ought to know that this here that this equation basically has applications to electrical engineering. It's basically used to determine the phase as the two different phases. Yes. So here was I sine I C2 C2 sine T E over 2 T over 2. That's with no T E. Geront. Man, you know what? I'm just here. Sorry. Here's the answer with no T E. I'm just gonna put my phone on down. I'm basically right at the whole thing and with the T. Alright, with T. With T. We get X. So E to the -1 on over T. So E to the -1 to the so alpha R. So reminder. So here, I'm just going to basically it's state in my alpha and beta. It's basically remind myself. Alpha is 1 T. Beta is I over T. Okay. Or oh no, wait. Actually, he beta beta here is actually going to be with according to this thing. Beta here is actually going to be 1 over T. So, alright. Yeah. Just want to ensure. So, we have E. We have T, E. So, T. So, -1. Oh, T times T. We have E, -1 times C1 cosine 1 cosine 1 guessing cosine 1 radian plus I to C2 sine 1 radian. And boom. And yeah, let me box it. And bang. That's how I saw on my differential equation. And that's how I saw on the second order or differential equation of that function. And without the T E and with the T E. Without the T, the general solution is x equals e to the negative T over 2 times constant 1 cosine I T E over 2 cosine I T over 2 plus I constant 2 sine I T E over 2 and yeah. And with T, we get something interesting. This basically, in a way, is kind of like a constant expression. So with T, we get x equals our position and function is going to equal e to the negative to the negative 1 on times c constant 1 cosine I to 1 radian and plus I constant 2 sine I 1 radian. And yeah, that's how I solved this equation, and by saying it up as a second order the second order differential equation. And and and, and I can definitely tell that an engineer, especially math engineer, and the professor's program is going to tell how state tell us to basically he solved it is by setting it up as a differential equation. And yeah, uh, yeah, alright, that's a wrap. As always, smash the like button, comment down below, or share the video with friends on social media. Yeah, see. And social media, and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, TV Black as YouTuber out.